Good morning, guys. How are you doing? My name is Abdel Salim Garba. I'm a chartered accountant and influencer on YouTube. I created this YouTube channel to give advice to young African people, advice related to entrepreneurship, employment, and personal development, because I'm convinced that the development of Africa cannot achieve without a weak mindset of young African people. Today I will share, I will continue, I will pursue the videos about the topic of why it is important for you to become formal and to pay your taxes. And don't afraid, stop to be afraid to pay taxes or to become formal company. Because if you want to be a great big companies, I already said it in other videos. You need to, if you want to become a big company, you need to make like a big company. Because a big company, they did not, no company, no big brands that you know became big brands in their home or in their house, working in informal. So if you want to become like them, you need to start to become formal and start to come to see specialists like chartered accountant, the great advisor who can assist you to make step by step the way to become a big brand. Today I will share with you one reason again why it's important for you to, when you're starting your company, your business, to very quickly formalize your business and start to pay your taxes. Why it's important? You know that if you want to grow, I already said it, if you want to grow, you need financing, you need funding. The first sources of your funding should be your clients. We are okay with that. We are agree with that. The first source of funding for your company should be your clients. I already made a video where I described how to be funded by your clients, how to sell to your clients your products, how to find new customers. Now, the second source of your funding, for example, is the bank. I already made another video. If you did not see it, please go to see the other videos I made in this series of in these topics, and you will see that I gave you some tips you can use to find funding by your bank. Very simple. Now, if you want to have funding, another way to have funding is by business angels, by private investors. Private investors, you know that if you start your business and running during 1 year, make around $100,000 in terms of revenue, make great sales by yourself. So we suppose that you are still informal, and now you need funding again to increase your product, your capacity, to get machine, to finance machine, to increase your production, to increase your products, your finished goods, and to increase your sales. If you need funding to make it, and you stay informal, we suppose that one investor is coming and see your business, look at your business and say that yes, your business looks a great business, interesting business. I have some funding. I have around $1 million I can give you to finance to increase your business 10 times more than when you are at these stages. This is a great opportunity for you, for your business to grow. But, and happily, if this investor asks you, please, can I see your financial statements? Can I see your accounts to see what you made in terms of profit, what you made in terms of sales, in terms of net margin, in terms of inventory, what you have in 1 year, what you did in 1 year. If these investors ask you figures, you cannot justify anything because you have zero tangible information to give him if you stay informal. This is a great opportunity you can miss to grow your business, because when you start your business, you prefer to stay informal for a long time because you are afraid to pay taxes, you are afraid. No, please come to see chartered accountant. The guys who knows how to help you, to assist you to progress, to grow your business very cleverly. Otherwise, you will miss a lot of opportunities like that. You know that we know in French African countries, we have a startup called Wikari. This startup, I will interview them in few days. These startups, they have very clever guys, clever owners, young owners. When they started their business, what they are doing, they are just assist people to send and collect some things, to ship some goods or some luggages, etc., from Africa to Europe and to Europe from Africa. So they assist in terms of logistic transports of goods, of luggages, of anything you want to send in Europe or anything you want to come to bring from Europe to in Africa. At this stage, they are just operating in French African countries in West Africa, but with Europe. But I think that they have many opportunities they will use in future years in English African countries. But these guys, when they started, automatically they started, before to call a chartered accountant, just a quick books, copy books, when they registered each day the transactions they are making. They very quickly, then they be aware that they should be formalize their company. You know that 3 years later, some business angels came to see them, identified the business, and see that there is a great opportunity in their business. These business angels, they came to them and offer them to invest in their business. But before to invest to their businesses, they ask their figures, they ask their accounts. If these guys cannot justify, they will miss this opportunity. You know that these young guys, they leverage around, in terms of CFA, 200 million CFA. In USD is around 300,000, yes, 300,000 or 400,000 USD. Young guys, great entrepreneurs, which is a great example we need to show in Africa and to follow in Africa. In Africa, we are very used to make some business very informal. We need to stop with this bad practice. If we want to become big brands in Africa, we need to start to have great habits in terms of management, great habits in terms of finance, great habits in terms of marketing, etc. We have all of things, all of resources in Africa to make very champions companies, but we need to be assisted by specialists, by chartered accountants, by great advisors who will help us to go from 0 to 1. This is our target, our goal in this YouTube channel. We want to aware you that you need to be aware that you are missing a lot of opportunities to grow, to increase your businesses because you stay informal. So please reflect on that, asking you yourself great questions. I hope that these videos will be very useful for you and will awake your mindset and will help you to start to make best practices in the right time. Hope that this will be helpful for you, for your colleagues. Please don't hesitate to share with your colleagues, your friends, guys you think, entrepreneurs you think that this video will be helpful for them if they want to leverage funds, to raise funds from private investors. I hope that this will be useful for them. Don't hesitate, please, to put me the like if you appreciate this video. Please share, subscribe if you are not subscribed, to see a lot of more advice, great advice we are giving in this YouTube channel. Thanks you for watching our videos. Take care. Cheers.